Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Just like we did for the G chord, when we added the A minor and the E minor to the G, we can add we have the E minor, which is the third note for C, third chord for C, A minor, which is the sixth chord for C, A minor, and D minor, which is the number 2 for C. So we can include these three chords in C, and F has come to fill the 4 and the G is the 5. So just like we did G, C, and the D. So when we go to the C, you're going to C, F, then G, F, C, F, then G, F. Then we can add the other variations: D minor, A minor, F, then G. Okay, let's do it this way. So D minor, A minor, let's go to C, then G, let's go to D minor again, A minor, oh, and the C, and the G, D minor, A minor, and the C, and the G, D minor. Let's go to F, A minor, the C, and the G. Let's go to D minor, D minor. Let's go to F, A minor, and the C, and the G. Oh, A minor, F, sorry, A minor, and the C, and the G. Let's go to D minor, D minor, oh, and the F, A minor, and the C, and the G, D minor, the F, oh, the A minor, the C, and the G. So this song, I think, all I want is for you. So you can do all I need, I know, is for F, then to the C, A minor, and G. So like it goes like that way, and I think you can try and add E minor to songs like Yeshu, Yeshu, A minor, ooh, F, ah, A minor, A minor. You see that you need to learn a lot of chords. I myself, I have to learn so many chords, like the 7 chords, the suspension, and all those chords. They make it sound more unique and very beautiful. Thank you for watching this video this far, and subscribe if you're not subscribed. share to a friend. Let's move the subscriber counts higher, higher, and higher and higher. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. I can't stop saying subscribe because I need more subscribers. 3 years, more than 3 years, we need more subscribers. Thank you. Leave in the comment section if you have anything that you want me to add, and see you next time.